Hi, I'm Eun-gyo. Today I'm going to review my game I played yesterday. The Korean Baduk Association, I will call this as KBA from now, has its own competition. In the past few years, professional matches have decreased and many pro players have not had enough opportunity to compete. So KBA made its own tournament. We have a total of 6 groups and each group has less than 20 people. I will show you the table of our league. Yeah, this is number 6 group. Yeah, I'm in the 5th line. Yeah. Matches will be in a league for 3 months. Nearly 100 players will participate, and it helps a lot to keep the game senses. Game senses means when we don't play for a long time, the pro players will lose game senses. Do you understand? My opponent yesterday, he is the winner of the rookie contest. Yeah, 2015, he won the prize. I will show you his picture. Sorry, Jaegun, I used your picture. I think he doesn't know about my channel. Yeah, please, it's secret. He is ranked 55. We have about 400 pro players. A player in the top 100 is considered very strong. Yeah, looking back on yesterday's game, I played quite well until the 80th move. But after that, I collapsed. There were 40 minutes main time and then 3 times of 40 seconds Boyomi. Alright, let's look at the board. I was white. I chose double star points. This is a sequence that comes up very often in my games. I approached it here. Most of my opponent pincers were of 1 or 2 space drums. I invaded at the 3-3 point on the lower left corner. It meant that I wanted to play in the upper left corner later while watching the progress in the lower left corner. At this moment, I thought a few minutes about playing this slide, but I didn't want the exact same shape as the upper side. So I pushed it here and played Hane. After his approach, I came back here and played continuously. I attached it in this direction because I thought the value of lower side was bigger than the right side. I mean, the value of here is bigger than here. Do you agree? I think the lower side is much valuable than the right side. So that's why I attach it here. When you attach, then it makes your opponent strengthen and more solid. I mean, it's usually okay to strengthen the opponent's stone on the side with less value. Yeah, that's why I attached it here and I made black stone strengthen on the right side. Yeah, this is kind of joseki. Do you know this? At this moment, he played here, he connected here, and I extended here. Yeah, at this moment, I realized that my opponent likes simplicity. I have experienced several times in this game that he chose the easy path rather than the difficult one, even if he lost some points. Yeah, actually in this situation, AI gave higher score for this move than this, but the gap is very tiny. So yeah, this is the difference of taste. But I mean, he chose simple way. Yeah, if black plays here, then the game goes more complex way, because this groove is not perfect, so it can be attacked later. Yeah, and here is open. But people who like complex variations choose this move. Yeah, this is the actual game. Yeah, the following sequences are very common in this case. You can remember this sequence. Now he played here. It was a good place to extend and pincer at the same time. It was 3-space extension, so I thought about splitting here right away, of course, but likewise I prefer simple way, so I attached it here and played a nice move. This meant I would play A or B as a miai. He jumped. Here we can see that he prefers simplicity. Up to now, in his moves, we can learn simple and basic moves that even beginners can follow. Actually, I like his style. I played here, but AI gave this invasion a bit higher score, but I was afraid with these following sequences. I was afraid that black's moyo would be bigger. This means I thought like the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. Yeah, if I think about this now, I'm not that afraid. But it was quite different when I played the game. It's weird. Yeah, he kicked, and I thought about playing here, but I thought it was a bit heavy, and I was afraid that black's moyo would grow bigger. However, AI recommended this move. Honestly, I couldn't think about this move, but AI recommended this move. Yeah, this is expected sequence. Yeah, AI says white is quite okay with this following sequence. Anyway, I missed this move and invaded here and played honey. If black blocks here, then I will connect and then connect one more time. Yeah, it seems like very good for white, so black defended here in the actual game and I answered here. So far the score is 50-50. I played here. It was kind of proof move, but it was a dangerous move that would have made the situation worse if black had received properly. Here's my question. Would you guess the right move for black? He answered in the actual game, but it was not good. Yeah, it's very difficult. In this kind of situation, especially for me, my brain was like, I had totally no idea. Yeah, it's quite interesting. In this situation, the best move for black is descending here. And if white jumps, then capturing this one's done. White have to run, then black jumps here, and one more time. Yeah, this is expected sequence. I think this kind of move is beyond human's brain. My opponent also chose this way. Quite simple and easy. I think it would be good for you and I to keep an eye on this move. Alright, let's go back to the actual game. Actually, this is one more clue that I thought he likes simplicity. Actually, this is one more clue again that I thought he likes simplicity. Of course, we know this move is partly to lose some points, but he chose this way. Because black answered weakly, the situation changes that now white is slightly leading. Yeah, this was blue spot, and he exchanged this, but it was kind of self-flattery. It was not good also. Now I'm in quite a good situation. Here is the highlight of this game, I think. Where should white play? It is very difficult. At this moment, I felt like I'm quite okay, but I had no idea where I play. Yeah, so let's think about my next move together. What is your answer for this situation? I showed one invisible great move before. Now we have one more invisible great move. Actually, there are times when I can play the next move very easily. That means the game works very well. But yesterday's game was not like that. I had totally no idea. I will show you some diagrams I thought. Actually, I wanted to play somewhere around here, but I couldn't find the right place. Playing Hane and cutting here is not good because black can escape. Then what about exchanging this and covering here? I thought this would be not good if black plays here because this is also very big endgame. And then I thought about playing this area first because if there is a stone over here, and then this cutting became so severe, right? Yeah, this is very powerful. But when I play here, black will exchange this, and then this weak point will disappear. So this move was not good. So I couldn't find the answer, so I played here. Now I will show you two of AI recommendations. The first one is exchanging this and covering here. Yeah, actually this is still difficult for me. How can I just sacrifice the upper side? AI says white is enough. Can you believe this? How could this be enough for white? This is beyond my brain, you know, but I have to remember. Yeah, it's so amazing. I will show you one more recommendation, that is pipping here first and exchange this forcing move and then attach here. Yeah, this is very good because if black plays here, then white doesn't answer here. White plays here, and then because this is center right, and later black can leave inside. It is quite amazing. Yeah, there is enough space. It's quite unbelievable. Now white got a lot of points over here, so yeah, white is very good. If black answers here, then this cutting move is very severe because there is one more stone here. It's quite different compared to before. Black can push here or covering here. Yeah, it is very good for white. White can fight. Yeah, how about this move? Pipping here and after this exchange, attach it here. Yeah, very, very amazing. A and B are miai. Yeah, let's keep an eye on this move. Okay? In the actual game, I was so confused and I chose this move. It was not that bad. My opponent played here right away. It was very annoying, so I didn't answer. If I block, then black will atari. It seems like I lost some points here, right? So, and if I answer like this, then I feel not good because there is a weak point over here, right? So I couldn't answer and I tenukit. This is not exactly tenukit, but I changed the direction. So far it was quite okay. Yeah, black exchanged this and jumped. Yeah, he likes very simple move, right? And I answered. Yeah, black played here, but it was his mistake. Black should have played like this. Yeah, after exchanging this forcing move, and he should have jumped here or he should have pipped here. Yeah, this is very difficult, I think, because it's invisible, right? Yeah, actually this direction was not the right answer. Yeah, I exchanged this and I played here. This move was quite bad. Here comes my bad mistake that ruined this game. Now the game score is 50-50. Where do you think I should have played? After pipping here, just jump here, or saving these two stones and capturing this one stone. Yeah, this kind of move is very difficult, as I told you so many times in this game, because it's invisible, right? This kind of situation is, I think, the most difficult situation when we play Go, because it's invisible, right? If we know these two stones are big, then yeah, we must be a master, I think. Who would think these two stones are big? Yeah, it's beyond my brain. Yeah, this or this was the right answer in this situation, but I moved this tiny one stones. Yeah, even at this moment, I should have played here. Yeah, these two stones were not that big. If I played like this, then it would have been much more better for me, or this way. Yeah, this was my huge mistake. Yeah. After several sequences, I ruined my game. Yeah, I lost so many points on the left side. Yeah. And the attack didn't go well. Yeah, I couldn't attack this group. Now black took the big lead. Yeah, my problem always appears after 80 moves. Yeah, today's point was to find a good move in an invisible scene. In addition, sometimes it is so difficult doing nothing. There is always something wrong when we are trying to do something. Yeah, this is today's lesson. Let's do nothing. Okay, I will play better in the next game. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.